Today, graphics card. What's up guys, how's it going? Today we are going to be unboxing an ASUS TUF GeForce GTX 1650. So this is the ASUS TUF Gaming OC edition, and the 1650 ships with 4 gigabytes of DDR6 memory, just like on the 20 series video graphics cards. Alright, so have GeForce experience as you get on all NVIDIA GPUs. Space gray blueprint, alright. We have a protective backplate, prevents PCB flex and trace damage. Kinda nice. And green ASUS ROHS compliant. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got. Box opens just like so, upside down. And get that nice graphics card smell. The styrofoam sheet. Alright, simple cardboard. So it actually looks and feels actually. Oh wow, that is a nice 1650. It looks like. Alright, let's just see. Leave it just cardboard. Got the ASUS manuals, a speed setup, the thank you for purchasing a graphics card, and our graphics card. Okay. That's what I was led to believe that this is. Alright, you got a sticker on the back, sealing the anti-static bag. You know, if I were to get a 1650, first impressions, this would be the one to get. Alright, we have a plastic back plate. Not the greatest. So, it won't help with heat dissipation, because it will help with not damaging the PCB. This is fairly hefty, actually. Wouldn't have expected something like this. Peel the plastic off. And we do get a rather nice shroud. So we have a plastic shroud, says GeForce GTX. On this 1650, we do get DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Of course, they come with caps for each of those ports right there. Here's our PCIe 3.0 connector, also on the bottom. Get this cover for it. Nice. It's plastic, says ASUS. Same one you get even on the 3090s. So, there's our warranty seal. So, 6-pin power. Each of our fans has 9 fan blades. And we have 2 of them. Shroud does look quite nice, if I do say so myself. So, I have a heatsink there. I believe it's about a 1/2 inch thick there, and all around. So we do get copper heat pipes. You can see they go right up into there. 9 fans, as I said before. We have the fan connectors there. And here's our PCIe bracket. Got some ridges there, and it says TUF Gaming on the back. So this would not be the worst looking 1650 in your system. Does look rather nice from the front. It is very thick. There's the TUF logo there, GeForce GTX, and got the signature orange TUF accent. Well, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in the very next video. Bye.